Hey guys, this is your girl Avneet and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you doing well. I personally am feeling really great because I am having good hair days. Did you notice how I said good hair days and not good hair day? Yes, exactly. I've been having amazing hair days, and do you want to know my secret? It's the one and only Garnier new hair food range of masks. I'm so thankful I found a perfect solution that provides nourishment to my hungry hair. My hair usually gets super frizzy and dry with all the blow dry and straightening that I need to do because of work. Now that I think about it, I've put my hair through so much torture, and guys, when you put your hair through so much, it gets hungry. But I don't worry or stress about all this anymore. With my recent discovery of Garnier Fructis, I'm living a stress-free life. This is the one and only way I provide nutrition and nourish my hungry hair. Just look at how wonderful and gorgeous my hair looks. You guys, if you are someone who's looking to nourish your hungry hair or just want beautiful hair like mine, you know what to do. Get yourself this. You wouldn't even guess how amazing and delicious of a fragrance the mask has. I just want to eat it. Yum! Just kidding. I know I can't eat it, but honestly, I love the fragrance. So there's another thing that I really love. The range is 98% natural origin. It has no sulphates, parabens or silicons. It is also vegan and no animals are harmed in the process because it is also cruelty free. Great, right? I totally love this. So the best part is the mask comes in 4 variants, as you can see. Each variant addresses specific issues. So they have nourishing banana for dull hair. Then there is hydrating aloe vera for normal to dry hair. They also have repairing papaya for starving damaged hair, and lastly there is smoothening macadamia, which is what I used because, as I mentioned before, my hair felt very frizzy. If all of this was not even for you to fall in love with these masks and buy them immediately, there is one more thing. These masks can be used in 3 different ways. Wow, yes. So I am going to show you how you can use these masks. Number 1, you can use this as a conditioner. So you have to take half a handful of the mask, scoop it out like this from the tub and apply it to mid-length hair to ends and leave it on for about 30 seconds. Second, you can use it as a mask. So on your wet hair, take handful amount like this and apply it from your roots to hair ends. Again, this has to be on wet hair and you can rinse it out after 1 minute. And lastly, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner on dry hair. Take about a coin-sized amount and then apply it to your hair ends to tame that frizzy hair. This is one of the best ways to protect your hair from damage, and this is super easy, don't you think? I totally would recommend you all use Garnier Fructis hair food to get nourished, frizz-free, soft and manageable hair just like mine. They also have shampoos and conditioners available in all variants, but the masks are just... Seriously guys, I literally just can't stop touching my hair. That's all for today, you guys. I really hope that you liked the video. Let me know if you people have any questions in the comments below and I will answer them. So you can buy these masks from the link below. Until next time, take care y'all. Bye bye. Mwah. Love you.